Good morning, students. Today we can see the electric circuit. So already we have studied some basic about the electric circuit in the 7th standard. So when the two oppositely charged spheres that is connected by the metal wire, that is the electron that it will be flow from the sphere, that is from the lower potential to the sphere of higher potential. So the two will be having the battery. In that there will be a two terminals, so which are the different potentials. So the battery will be having a different potential, that potential that is connected by the metallic wire. So then it will be connected by the metallic wire. Then the electrons that it will be flow from the negative terminal to the positive terminal. So the path that which the electron that is flowing from one terminal to the another terminal, so that is known as the electric circuit. So it is flowing from the one terminal to the another terminal, and that is the electric circuit. So the simple circuit will be having the three types of circuit: simple circuit, series circuit, parallel circuit. So the simple circuit consists of four elements. There is a battery, that is a path conductor through which the electricity will be flow. Then next, switch, a switch that is controlling the circuit, and the electrical resistor, that is the lamp. So which any device that requires the electricity to operate. So we will be having the circuit, bulb, key, then the battery. So the simple circuit that is containing a battery, two wires, then key, and an electric bulb. So using this, the source that is a battery or a electric outlet, that is in which we are having that. So the electrical resistor, that is refers to the device that which is consuming the energy. So that is the key. Key, that is the mechanism that is used to start or stop the circuit. So when we are regulating the start or stop the electrical current. So when the key is on, the electrons that is flow from the negative terminal to the wire and the conductor, then through the bulb, finally back to the positive terminal. It will be flow from the electrons will be flow from the negative terminal to the positive terminal. So then after that the light will be glows when the current is flowing through the filament. So this is the simple circuit. Next we can see the series circuit. So the series circuit is the one that has the more than one resistor, that it will be having the more than one resistor, that is the bulb. So but only the path through the electrons that can be travel. So from one end of the battery, the electrons that is moving one path with the no branches. So in the series circuit there will be no branches, only the single branch is there. Through that only the electrons are moving. So all the components that is in the series circuit, that is connected end to end. So each end is connected with the battery, one end of the connected to the another bulb. So it is connected in a series. So that only we are saying as a series circuit. So the current that is through the circuit, that is remaining same throughout the circuit, but here the voltage that is getting divided across the bulbs in the circuit. Here the battery will be considering as a voltage. So in the series circuit, charges, that is electrons that is from the battery, have only one path to travel. So in this series circuit will be having only one path to travel. So the charges that flow from the battery to each bulb one at a time. In order they wired to the circuit. So if one of the bulb in the circuit is removed, the entire circuit will not be work. So in the center bulb if you remove, so in this connection also the first bulb connection V1 bulb end also it will be empty, and the V3 also will not be connected. So the entire circuit will not be work. If everything is connected only, this entire circuit will be work. So the voltage that it will be different across the each resistance. So let us consider three bulbs that is connected in a series. Let I be the current. Here I be the current, and then V1, V2, V3 be the voltage across the each bulb. So V is the voltage. So the V is the total of the individual voltage that is drop across the resistance bulbs. V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So this is the formula for the series circuit. Next we can see the parallel circuit. So parallel circuit, how they are connected means, in the parallel circuit there are more than one resistor, that is bulb, and they will be arranged on many path, not in a single path. They will be, the connections, it will be in a separate connections. So each and every connection is taken from the bulb, each bulb, and each connection is connected from the battery. So here the electrons that is travel from one end to the one end of the cell through many branches to the other end of the cell. So here the voltage across the resistor is a bulb, remains the same, but the current flowing through the circuit, that it is getting divided across each resistor. So here the bulb is there, that is getting divided each other. In a series circuit everything is connected in a same connection, but the parallel circuit they are connected in a different circuits. So each and every bulb is connected in a separate connection. So what is this? This is the parallel circuit. So here we can consider the three bulbs that is connected in a parallel. Here the be the voltage across the bulb, and I1, I2, I3 be the current. Here I1, I2, I3 is the current across the each bulb. So the current, that is I, from the battery, the total of the individual current that is flowing through the bulbs. So the each and every bulb is getting a individual current. So that I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. So this is the parallel circuit. Thank you, students.